Guys, welcome back to another video about Reef Finance. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the latest price update of the Reef Finance. What's the latest price changes occur in the Reef Finance. Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please, I request everybody to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. So guys, let's get started. The latest price of the Reef Finance in the market is 0.02482 USD dollar. That is the live price of the Reef Finance. Furthermore, guys, if you talk about the changes occur in the Reef Finance, so you can see here, guys, that the last 1 hour changes of the Reef Finance is positive 0.15%. The last 1 day changes is negative 2.46%, and the last 1 week changes is positive 14.06%. Absolutely, guys, the changes occur in this coin and the Reef Finance coin is going good. But unfortunately, the latest last 1 day changes of the Reef Finance is going wrong. I mean, going negative. So what should we do at this time, guys? Let me show you the price chart. Just look here, guys. Absolutely a massive changes occur in the Reef Finance in the previous time, but unfortunately from the yesterday the changes occur in the Reef Finance is going wrong. So a lot of people are worrying about the Reef Finance, but guys, don't worry, everything will be okay. Just patience. Only patience need cryptocurrencies market. Now, guys, if today the price falls down, so sure, tomorrow will be the price pump. So just need patience. Now you can see, guys, absolutely a massive changes occur in the Reef Finance the price pump. Positive 9.62%. The changes occur in the Reef Finance is positive, and 0.026463 USD dollar is the highest price of the Reef Finance. Anyways, guys, what is your opinion? What is your price prediction about Reef Finance? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.